Hi Divi Builders. This video will show you how to create categories for your blog post. Now obviously you have to have the categories in mind when you're writing a blog post, but there are two ways of creating the categories. So the first thing to do is to go into your, highlight the post section of your blog, and then you can go to the categories section, and then you can create your categories. Now, you can create your categories before you write your blogs if you know that you've got some core categories, such as with Kayla, public speaking, presentation skills, workshops. So perhaps if I created a category which was VIP and then wrote it in the lowercase. So the name is at the top, but the slug is what in computer terms is the friendly version of the URL, so it's all lowercase. And when you see it, it will have hyphens in between each word. Now they're not part of any parent category, but for instance, if you wanted them to be part of a parent category, now this works really well if you're using your categories from your blog post as your menu. But if you're not actually using them as your menu, like we are in this particular build, then you just use it as an individual category. You can put a description, but it doesn't normally get shown, and really the category is just used if someone wants to search for a particular area that they want to look for. So once you're happy with the category name, you click Add New Category. And then that's it, that's done. Now, another way of adding the category while you're on the go is to actually do it whilst you're writing your blog. So if I was to go into my test 2 blog post, and as you can see, I've built it inside the Divi Builder, which I went over in one of the previous videos, but along here on the right, where it says categories, you can actually add a new category whilst you're in your page while you're writing your blog. So to do that, you just click Add New Category, and then I'm just going to put Test. And then once you're happy, you just click Add New Category. Now this way, it will automatically assign the blog that you're writing to that category, and it will also automatically create you a slug in your category area. So if I was just to update that, and then I go over to my categories over here on the left, you can see that the test category is in there already. Okay, so this just shows you how to find your categories. So to find the actual category area, you have to go to your post section on your dashboard, and it's down there where it says categories.